So, ang atuang number 9 na problem is y is equal to e raised to negative 2x times 1 plus e negative 2x raised to negative 1 half. So, kay kuha naman siya, kapag naman siya nga term, ato siya gamitan og product rule. So, ang formula sa product rule, kay katong d over dx uv equal to udv plus vdu. So, ato ang u is ang kani e raised to negative 2x, atong du kay negative 2e raised to negative 2x. And then atong v kay 1 plus e raised to negative 2x raised to negative 1 half. So atong dv kay bring down negative 1 half, and then copy lang yung sunod 1 plus e 2 raised to 2x negative 2x, then ang negative 1 half minus 1 is negative 3 halves. Yeah. Times, so kanang derivative of 1 is 0. So, ang kanilang derivative of e raised to negative 2x is simply negative 2e raised to 2x. Simplify. So, dv was cancel na itong negative 1 half and then negative 2. Then, may na siyang e raised to negative 2x. 1 plus e raised to negative 2x raised to negative 3 halves. So, ato input ato formula nga y prime is equivalent to udv plus vdu. So, y prime is equivalent to ang u nato a raised to negative 2x, ang ato ang dv bracket na nato gamit ni kadagan mo. So, e raised to negative 2x times 1 plus e raised to negative 2x raised to 3 halves, negative 3 halves, plus 1 plus e raised to negative 2x raised to negative 1 half, and then ang ato ang du nga negative 2e raised to negative 2x. So, after ana, at what is na siya a multiply. So, y prime is equivalent to e negative 4x na copy lang 1 plus e negative 2x negative 3 halves, and then minus negative 2e raised to negative 2x and times 1 plus e raised to negative 2x raised to negative 1 half. So, after ana, ato buhaton is ubos na to ang negative 3 halves o ang negative 1 half. So, mayroon siyang 1 y prime is equivalent to e raised to negative 4x over ang 1 plus e raised to negative 2x then raised to 3 halves minus ang which is ang 2a raised to negative 2x, and then ang obos ang ang 1 plus e raised to negative 2x then raised to 1 half. So, ni positive sign na siya kay giubos man nato na change yun niya ang iyang sign. So, timanan ana ato na siya i-simplify. So, common terms naman siya i-simplify nato siya. So, himo na siyang y prime e raised to negative 4x. So, kay common terms man sila, ato ipagawas ang usa. So, a raised to negative 4x over 1 plus e raised to negative 2x tapos square root of 1 plus e raised to negative 2x. and then minus kanina sa igbaw. So 2e raised to negative 2x, then ang ubos kay negative kani 1 plus e raised to negative 2x. So ato na siya i-divide. So ang kaning ato ikaw nang iyaang so 1 plus e raised to negative 2x over. Kasi yun naman din sila. So 1 plus e raised to negative 2x. And then kani siya i-divide nato dire is simply 1. So e raised to negative 4x minus kani siya i-divide nato siya dire, makansel naman yung isa. So kanina lang. Sige, so mahibo na siya. 2e raised to 2x. And then multiply siya diri sa ubos. So maghapon siya copy 1 plus e raised to negative 2x. So pagkatiman na ato i-add ang iyang exponent, which is y prime raised to y prime is equal to e raised to negative 4x minus kay 2e raised to negative 2x, then minus 2e raised to negative 4x. Then ang ubos copy lang. So 1 plus e raised to 2x, and then square root of 1 plus e raised to negative 2x. And then ikuha na to na siya common terms, so ato lang siya i-cancel ang exponent niya. So y prime is equivalent to negative e raised to negative 4x minus 2e negative 2x over. So ang kaning sa ubos ato na siya ibalik na to og sulod. So imo na siya 1 plus e raised to negative 2x raised to 3 halves. So tapos after ana ato igawas ang iyaang usa ka 2. Ani. So y prime is equivalent to negative e raised to negative 2x e raised to negative 2x plus 2 over copy lang ni. So 1 plus e raised to negative 2x raised to 3 halves. So tiwan na ato para siya kitawon ato siya saka. So y prime is equivalent to negative e raised to negative 2x times e raised to negative 2x plus 2 times kanina sa ubos 1 plus e raised to negative 2x raised to negative 3 halves. Kaya ato naman gisaka, so na-change na ang iyaang sign. So ngayon na siya negative. So muna ni ato ang final answer. So y prime is equivalent to negative e raised to negative 2x times e raised to negative 2x plus 2 times 1 plus e raised to negative 2x raised to negative 3 halves.